Hello everyone, welcome back to another Loyal and Save training. In this section, we will go over how to create items in your swag shop. To access the swag shop, click on Loyalty, Swag Shop, Items. Retailers have the ability to offer exclusive merchandise to their customers as a way to redeem tokens. Tokens can only be redeemed in the swag shop of the retailer whom they were earned. Swag shop items are separate from normal POS products. Swag shop and POS products are not linked. The store will have to add and manage swag shop items separately when using this module. Let's take a look at how to create an item for the swag shop. So we're going to open up one that's already existing. We're going to click on Modify. Let's take a look at the details. On the item details, you will create an item name for your product, category, tags. Tags will organize the swag items for the loyalty user and make it easier for them to find the exact products they're looking for without having to search for them. Token value, age-restricted topics. From here, you would set the flag if the item is age-restricted. The short description is for internal use only and will not appear on the app or the web portal. Product description. This is a description of the product that you are offering. This description is visible to customers on both the app and on the web portal. Moving on to the Attributes tab. If you have a product that comes in multiple colors or sizes, you do not have to enter them individually. They can be listed under one product name. On the Options tab, you can change how many times it can be redeemed, either per day, per purchase. If the item has an age limit, you can set it here. Expiration. This lets your customers know that this product is going to be leaving the swag shop soon. This will place a small banner over the product indicating that this product will expire in X amount of number of hours, days, weeks, or months. You can set the ability for your customers to either pick up the items in store or you can have them shipped to your customers. On the right side of the screen, you will see Manage Balance Types. By default, you will be using the Store Tokens bucket. If you have a manufacturer and you have created additional token buckets, you can use that here. By clicking on the Manage button, you will then see your existing token buckets. You can select your token bucket by highlighting the token bucket, pressing the green arrow, pressing Apply, and now, if you have created a manufacturer swag shop, your customers will be able to redeem those tokens that they've earned for that manufacturer. To add an image to your item, you would click on Choose Files and upload an image from your computer. Now the image will actually appear on the swag shop when your customers view the item.